Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install and configure Jenkins latest version on Ubuntu 25.04. Okay, first open any web browser, then go to Jenkins official website, that is jenkins.io. Click on documentation, then click on installing Jenkins. Then select Linux. See here, Jenkins installers are available for several Linux distributions. See here we have the Debian or Ubuntu, so we can install. But before installing, check the prerequisites. These are the minimal hardware requirements. These are the recommended, and if you want comprehensive hardware recommendations, you have to go to this link. And the software requirement is you must have Java requirement. So open this link in new tab. Go to here. See for latest long-term support release, we must have the Java 17 or 21. So in this video, I am going to download and install Java JDK 21. First verify whether Java is installed or not. If it is not installed, then we will install Java JDK 21. Open terminal. Verify version of the Java. -- version. See, you don't have Java, so let us install it by downloading latest version. Go to oracle.com. Click on products, then click on Java, then download Java. See here I have the Java JDK 21. If you are unable to find the version, here you can click on archive. There you will find all older versions. See, we have the older version. Like if you want to install 17, click on 17. If you want to install 21, 21. Okay. So go to Java downloads, then select the Java JDK 21. See, once you select it, then select the operating system Linux. Okay, for Ubuntu we have to download this x64 Debian package. So click on it. At a moment download will be, see, download started and its size is 160 megabytes. Wait until download completes. In meantime, please subscribe my channel for more tutorials. See, download is completed. Go to terminal, go to downloads directory, cd downloads ls. See here we have the JDK 21 Debian package. We have to install it. Sudo dpkg-i, then give JDK, give the tab to autofill entire Debian package name, hit enter, provide the password of sudo user, hit enter. We have successfully installed. Ctrl L, verify the version Java -- version. See, we have installed Java JDK 21. Ctrl L, rm ls. This file is not required anymore. Rm, give JDK, give the tab, hit enter. We have cleared the space. Now go to this Jenkins page, then go up, then click on this Debian or Ubuntu. Okay. Now see here we have the two types of releases: long-term support release and weekly release. Okay. So always recommended to install long-term support release. So we have to install it. So we have to run these commands one by one. So copy this one, go to the terminal, paste it, hit enter. Sorry, not copied properly. So copy this one, paste it, hit enter. It is done. Now run this command. Entire these 3 lines is a single command. Paste it, hit enter. Then update the packages. Sudo apt get update. Hit enter. Okay, successfully done. Now install Jenkins. See, we have to run this command. Sudo apt get install Jenkins. Hit enter. Type I and hit enter. See, you have successfully installed. Now verify the status of the Jenkins. Sudo systemctl status Jenkins. Hit enter. See, Jenkins is installed and it is running. And this is the initial admin password. We need this password for the configuration. Q to quit. Now scroll down. See, these are the post installation steps. Okay. Now if it is not started, just start it. Okay. Now we have to copy this one, new tab, paste it, hit enter. See, now we have to get the initial admin password. If you go to this file, copy it, go to the terminal, more, paste that file. See, this file contains same this password. Okay. See, we must run this with sudo. Hit enter. See, this thing and this both are same. Copy either of them. Copy it, paste it, hit enter, click on continue. See here, now we have to customize the Jenkins, and see here we have the two options: install suggested plugins or select plugins to install. So I am going to install the suggested plugins. So click on this one. See, plugins installation has been started. This will take time. Okay, I am pausing this video. I will resume after this installation. In the meantime, please subscribe my channel for more tutorials. Now we have to create the first admin user. So provide the username. I am giving username as administrator. Set the password for this user. Then confirm the same. Provide full name for this user. I am giving same administrator. Provide email address. Then click on save and continue. See, this is the Jenkins URL. Okay, click on save and finish. See, Jenkins setup is complete. So click on start using Jenkins. See, you got the Jenkins dashboard. Okay, if you want to create new item, click on here. If you want to see the build history, click on here. If you want to manage Jenkins, click on manage Jenkins. Click on it. See, here we have the different sections in manage Jenkins: system configuration, security, status information, troubleshooting, and tools and actions. See, in the system configuration, system, tools, plugins, nodes, cloud, and appearance. And in security, see here, security, credentials, providers, and users. Okay, if you want to create user, click on users. Then you have to click on create user. Okay, if you want to go back to dashboard, click on here, go to manage Jenkins, then plugins. If you want to install plugins, click on available plugins, then search for here. Or if you want to see the installed plugins, click on here. If you want advanced settings, go here. Now click on this username, then go to security, and if you want to change the password of this currently logged in user, you have to provide the new password. And if you want to create API token, click on add new token, then you have to click on save. Okay, so the last option that I am going to show you, go to terminal. Now we will see what will happen if we stop the Jenkins service. Sudo systemctl stop Jenkins. Now reload this page. See, we are unable to connect Jenkins. Okay, so to connect to Jenkins dashboard, the Jenkins service must be up and running. Okay, so start it again. Enter. We have successfully started. Let us verify the status. See, Jenkins service is started 4 seconds ago. Okay, Control L. If you want to verify the version of the Jenkins hyphen version. See, Jenkins. See, we have installed Jenkins 2.504. Okay. Now reload this page. Now we will be able to connect. Now we have to provide the username that we have created. Then provide the password what we have given for this user. Hit enter. See, we have successfully connected to Jenkins. Okay, and also see here, you can find the Jenkins version here. See here, Jenkins 2.504. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to install and configure Jenkins latest version, that is 2.5 on Ubuntu 25.04. As I told you, the process is same on all Ubuntu operating systems. Okay, for more tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.